Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Grace. My name is Trisha Lobo, and these are my teammates, Jan Chen and Stacy Harfinist. Grace is an ad placement platform that allows web developers to have complete control over the ads shown on their websites. Payment is handled through the Ethereum blockchain. Upon 1 million clicks, payment is instantly and securely sent to the web developer. We chose to work with the blockchain because of the convenience that it offers to our clients. They need never log in to send or receive payments. They need not store their payment information with us. Instead, the web developer instantly will receive payment upon completion of a contract. At Grace, we have two different kinds of accounts. We have one for web developers and one for advertisers. And this is one of our advertisers.
Hi, I work in digital marketing at Uniqlo. I'm using the Grace platform because it gives me the ease and security of paying on the Ethereum blockchain. I also like how the user interface allows me to easily group together my advertisements to create campaigns. Grace gives me a preview of my ad before I create it so I can get a sense of how it will appear to the user. Another thing I like about Grace is that developers are given total freedom to then style my ad in the most visually appealing way, which will benefit us both. Once I'm happy with the ad content in my campaign, it then gets saved and uploaded to an online database where developers can browse and package it together with other campaigns made by other advertisers that appeal to our target demographic.
Hi, I'm Stacy Harfinist, and I work as a web developer. Currently, I'm building the Petal website. Part of my job is to generate revenue through ad placement. I like to use Grace because it allows me to specifically choose which ads will go in my project, so I know that the ad content being rendered is always relevant to my users. Based on market research, Uniqlo and Calvin Klein fit in with Petal's target demographics, so I'm going to add them to this project. Once I'm finished adding the correct campaigns to my project, I can head to the deploy screen. Once I click deploy, I'm given a script tag, which I can easily copy and paste into my website's HTML file, so all of the ads are properly rendered on my website according to my specifications. Behind the scenes, Grace has just created 2 Ethereum contracts, one for each campaign in my project. This is done so that the advertiser can pay into this contract, and upon 1 million clicks, I am automatically paid out of the existing contract.
Hey, I just got an email. A web developer must have selected my campaign to be used in their project. Now, all I have to do is follow the link provided via email, and I can pay by entering my Ethereum wallet address without having to log in first.
Let's see how the ads look on my website. Grace automatically serves up a new ad on every refresh, so let's check out a couple. Great. I think one of my campaigns is about to receive its 1 millionth click, which is money in my pocket, or rather, Ether in my Ethereum wallet. Lastly, I'll get an email from Grace detailing the transaction, which closes out the process.
The technologies that Grace is built on include Material UI, React Redux, Solidity, Ganache, MetaMask, NodeMailer, and the Nerd Stack. When we were integrating Solidity into a Fullstack app, we encountered a few challenges. Solidity is a fairly new language. Its compiler changes very frequently. And happily, though, we were able to overcome those challenges. When we were planning out our app, we sought to adhere to ad tech industry standards as closely as possible, which introduced a lot of big picture complexity, especially when we worked on our back-end processes. And in addition, aesthetics were very important to our team, and we really fought to bend Material UI to our will. We are proud of what we accomplished in a short time frame, and I'm glad to have worked with these 2 gifted engineers. And please check out our GitHub. Thank you.